Oh. Supposed to take after the I think this part is supposed to go after like you beat a purple cat. It should be taking place like weeks after you defeat the purple cat. That's weird. But I'm gonna go find some secrets. So this is a secret area. Don't know what is here though. Let's see another secret. No. I think that's all. That's all for this level pack. Well, thank you all for like watching this series of like
I mean, damn.
So anyways, see you guys.